Foods you probably didn't know are very low in calories. 1. Clementine. Clementines are little oranges. They're a popular snack in the United States because of their high vitamin C content. One fruit, 74 grams, contains 40% of the daily value for vitamin C, while only containing 35 calories. 2. Fennel. The bulbous vegetable fennel has a licorice-like flavor. It's a good source of vitamin C and potassium, among other nutrients. Dried fennel seeds are used to give recipes an anise flavor. 3. Jicama. Jicama is a tuber vegetable with a white potato-like appearance. The texture of this vegetable is similar to that of a crisp apple, and it is normally eaten raw. Jicama is abundant in fiber, vitamin C, and potassium, among other nutrients. 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is high in vitamins and minerals. People who eat a lot of cruciferous vegetables like broccoli may have a lower chance of acquiring heart disease and certain malignancies, according to studies. 5. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts, like broccoli, belong to the cruciferous vegetable family. They're a good source of vitamin C, a chemical that helps protect cells from oxidative damage. 6. Pepper. Pepper comes in a wide range of colors, shapes, and sizes. Bell peppers are particularly high in antioxidants including vitamin C and lycopene, according to research. 7. Cauliflower. Cauliflower has grown increasingly popular as a low-carb alternative to vegetables and grains in recent years. Cauliflower rice and cauliflower pizza crusts, for example, are popular among low-carb eaters. 8. Asparagus. Asparagus comes in a range of colors and contains a variety of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory plant components. 9. Beets. Beets are high in minerals like folate and manganese, as well as phytonutrients like betalains and phenolic compounds, which may help to keep your heart healthy. 10. Iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce is a good source of several minerals, including vitamin K, provitamin A, and folate, despite the fact that most people believe it is not as healthy as other forms of lettuce. 11. Arugula. Arugula is a peppery-flavored dark leafy green. It's a popular salad ingredient that's high in vitamin K. It also has folate, calcium, and potassium in it. 12. Zucchini. Zucchini is a sort of summer squash that is green in color. It has a subtle flavor that makes it a versatile ingredient in cooking.